In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the Google Places API. So what exactly is Google Places API and what do we use it for? So the Places API enables us to retrieve information about a particular place by us providing a search query. So some of the useful information that the Places API can help us to retrieve could be prediction about the places that we might have in mind through our search query. And also, we can be able to retrieve information such as the place name, the place address, the location coordinates, and so much more. But for us to truly appreciate the usefulness of the Places API, I think it just makes so much sense to see exactly how we used it in the completed project. So on the screen is the completed project. So I'm going to go ahead and click on search destination. Right. So here, if I go ahead and provide some search query, say spa. So the Places API retrieves prediction of places that we might possibly have in mind. So as you can see, it retrieves spa PH, and we also have the address of the place. We have spa PH more. We have older versions of spa. So if I go ahead and change our query string, we can see we have spa Lekki, spa Ilepiju, different options, different predictions actually. So that's how useful this is. So if I go ahead and search another place, say Overclose, for instance, so these are the possible places that we might have in mind. So with this, it's very obvious that the Places API is very important and very useful, especially when we are building an app like this. Now, the certain question on your mind will be, how can I add Places API to my project? So for us to be able to make use of Places API, we need to first of all enable it in our Google Developers Console. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up our Google Chrome. So I'm going to try to access my Google Developers Console, which is console.developers.google.com/apis. Okay, so I'm very certain by now we're already very familiar with this dashboard. So what I'm going to do will be to go to the library. My intent is to find the Places API, which is this. So we need to go ahead and enable it. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on enable. Alright, so our Places API has been successfully enabled. It's also necessary that we keep in mind that the Places API is a paid API. Though you can actually have some free credit to test it out, you have to enable billing on your developer's console for you to be able to use it. So now that we successfully enabled the Google Places API, the next thing we need to do will be to go ahead and make use of it within our app. That's exactly what we're going to be doing in the next lesson. So see you there.